Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So today we're gonna learn how to use Linktree free version for beginners. So first of all, open your browser and search for Linktree, and it's like this: LINKTR.EE. So if you have an account, log in, or if you don't, sign up for free. So I will be giving sign up with email. So I will be just copy and pasting my link right here, and for the username select any username you love. That's it. And then click on create account, ensure password, and continue. Tell us about yourself. So like, tell what you do for living or whatever you want. If you have a business, tell about your business. If you have something on your sleeves, if you work for someone, just introduce yourself. Then click continue. Now we have to select one category which best describe us. So for me, it's creative. And then creative category also we have to select, like designer, digital creator, influencer. So for me, it's designer. Then click continue. Now you will be finding the plans of Linktree, right? So if you choose for free, it will be having some less features as compared to others, but it's also free at the same time, if you see. Then click on get free. That's it. Now click on continue to my Linktree. It will take you to your dashboard. Let me give you an overview of this. So right here, if you click on add link, it will ask for enter URL. So if you have Instagram ID or Facebook ID or Twitter and thing you want to add so that you can redirect it, you can do it for free. And first of all, yeah, it's very important that you should verify this link. Now I will just refresh it. So voila, that's it. Now add link. I will be adding my Facebook page link over here. Then tap on add. Come here and click on this edit button and type Facebook page. In short, the link you are pasting right above it as a header so that people can understand what this link is about. Okay, so now we can also add thumbnail. You can see here many options like redirect, thumbnail, prioritize, and many more. Most of them are, as you can see in the redirect, it's asking for upgrade now. For prioritize, upgrade now. For thumbnail, it's free. See, it's asking for set thumbnail. Okay, let's click on it. Upload from your own thumbnail or choose from tabular icon. I will be choosing tabular icon and search for Facebook. You can see here the link and the header plus the thumbnail has been showing here. So let's add another link. It will be my LinkedIn. Click on edit and type LinkedIn. And again, I will be giving it a thumbnail, set thumbnail, upload from tabular icons, search for LinkedIn. And voila, this too has been now showing in my link tree. At the top, you will be getting many options like appearance, analytics, settings. Let's see what appearance have. So here you can like describe yourself. pick an image if you have for NFT. You can set that, I mean that logo, you can set your profile picture here, put your bio if you want, and your profile title is already there. And if you want to give any theme, you can come down. Most of them are upgrade, like in paid one, but we will be going on the free theme. So this looks great. Let's try it. This look dope. So let's again go to the links section, and let's see if that links which we have added, it works or not. Click on LinkedIn. Voila, it opened. Let's open my Facebook page. Damn, it's pretty helpful. So that's it for today, folks. If you like this video, don't forget to leave like, comment, share and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.